ক্ষমা জানাইলো নমস্কার I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some commonly used nouns and sentences using those nouns in Bishnupriya Manipuri, such as rice. Rice is staple food in Assam. আসামে ভাত হাবিয়ে খেইতারা আসামে ভাত হাবিয়ে খেইতারা One more word, that is one more noun, that is curry. Rice and curry, okay? Curry means home. A sentence with curry. Today's veg curry is too delicious. Today's veg curry. Ajikar niramish houchara jobor hwatose. Today's veg curry. Ajikar niramish houchara is too delicious. Jobor hwatose. Too means jobor, delicious, what ose. Ajikar houchara, niramish houchara, veg curry. Niramish, veg means niramish, curry houchara. Ajikar niramish houchara, jobor what ose. Water. One more noun, commonly used noun is water. Okay, water means pani. Water means pani. A sentence: we should drink 3 liters of water in a day. We should drink. Ami pina thok. 3 liters of water. 3 liter pani. 3 liters, 3 liter of water, pani. 3 liter pani. We should drink ami pina thok in a day. Dine. In a day. Dine. We should drink 3 liters of water in a day. Ami dine 3 liter pani pina thok. Sugar means chini. You did not mix sugar in tea. Tea chahat chini na desot. Tea means you did not mix. Nade sot. Sugar, chini, in tea, chahat. You did not mix sugar in tea. Tea, chahat, chini, nade sot. Salt means noon. Greater amount of salt intake is not good. Greater amount of salt. Niyam nun. Greater amount means niyam. Salt means nun. Greater amount of salt. Niyam nun intake. Khana is not good. Hoba nagoi. Niyam nun khana hoba nei is not good. Hoba nei, hoba nagoi or hoba nei. Generally we say hoba nei. Niyam nun khana hoba nei. Greater amount of salt intake is not good. Milk. Drinking milk is good for health. Sengkom pina. Drinking milk is good. Hoba. Is not good. Hoba nei. Is good. Hoba. Drinking milk is good for health. Drinking milk means sengkom pina is good hoba for health. Gari gorka. Sengkom pina gari gorka hoba. Fish means mass. My parents are fish lovers. Mor ima babai mas khana monei tara. My parents. My means more. Parents means ima baba. My parents mor ima babai fish lovers are fish lovers. Mas khana monei tara. Fish lovers, those who love to have fish. Fish lovers, jatai mas khana monei tara. Fish lovers means mas khana monei tara. Mor ima babai mas khana monei tara. Meat, one more noun is commonly used. Noun is meat. Meat, mangsho. Or we say mahu. I don't have meat. Mi mahu nahauri. Mi mahu nahauri. I don't have mi nahauri. Meat mahu. Mi mahu nahauri. I don't have meat. One more noun, that is banana. Okay, banana. We should have a banana every day. We should have. Ami khana thok. We should. Ami thok. Have means here khana. We should have. Ami khana thok. A banana. Kola ago. A means ago. Banana means kola. A banana kola ago every day means nikkadin. Every day means nikkadin. Ami nikkadin kola ago khana thok. We should have a banana every day. Mango. One more noun we can say mango. Mango means heino. Heino. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, heino. Mango. Mango is the king of fruits. Heino oltai pholor ningtho. Mango is the king of fruits. Mango means heino is oltai the king ningtho of fruits pholor. Heino oltai ningtho pholor. When we'll say in a sentence, it will be heino oltai pholor ningtho. Oil. Tho. Too much oil in food is not good. Too much oil. Niam tho. In food. Khanat niam tho dena is not good. Hoba nei. Khanat niam tho dena hoba nei. Too much oil in food is not good. Not good means hoba nei. Is not good means hoba nei. Khanat in food. Too much oil. Niam tho khanat dena hoba nei. Tea. Tea means chaha. We say chaha. I like to take tea with milk. Mi sengkomlo chaha pina monauri. I like mi monauri to take pina tea chaha mi chaha pina monauri. I like mi monauri with milk sengkomlo. Mi sengkomlo chaha pina monauri. One more noun you can say table. Okay, in Bishnupriya Manipuri we say table or table. Okay, table. Mom, please buy a new table for me. Mom, Ima, please buy Luadene a new table. Noa table ahan for me. More kaje. For mane for means kaje. Me more kaje for me. Ima more kaje noa table ahan loadene. Mom, please buy a new table for me. And one more noun you can say chair. Table and chair. Okay, chair. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, chair. Okay, chair. My father has bought many chairs. My father, more babai, has bought loya anese. Many chairs. Many means nyampa. Many chairs. Nyampa chair more babai loya anese. My father has bought many chairs. More babai nyampa chair loya anese. With this, let me give you some more nouns such as jackfruit means khatol. Guava means pongitol. Chili, moroxi. If it is green chili, we say kacha moroxi. If it is dry chili, we say hukana moroxi. Onion, pios. Turmeric, aldi. Or sometimes you say andi. Aldi or andi. So with this you try to make sentences in Bishnupriya Manipuri. So let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Thank you. Namaskar.